In this video, you will learn how to replace solutions and the waste container on the ABL800 FLEX analyzer. The analyzer will automatically display the recording fluid replacement screen. Remove the cap from the new bottle. Scan the correct barcode on the new solution container. Place the new bottle in position. The label should point upward. Push it firmly and completely onto the connector. Repeat these steps for the other solutions if required. This is for ABL800 FLEX analyzers only. Press Restart. Remove the label from the old rinse solution container. It can now be used as a waste container. Remove the used waste container. Insert the new waste container onto the connector. The waste label must point upwards. Immediately close the filled waste container with a cap. Monitor the volume of fluid in the waste container. Look at the waste bottle on the screen. Keep the waste container standing at all times in order to prevent any leaks from it. You have now seen how to replace solutions and the waste container on the ABL800 FLEX analyzer.